Ito nga ang unang biyahe namin sa 2024. Mula Parañaque hanggang Mauban, Quezon Province. Meron nga tayong 4 hours and 22 minutes mula dito sa Parañaque. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako sa unang biyahe natin sa 2024. Ito nga sa unang first stop namin. Dito na kami nakapagsimula mag-video, mga idol. Medyo mahirap kasi mag-video sa daan, sobrang dilim din. Wala pa tayong napapalagay na auxiliary lights, yun ba yung tawag doon? At dito nga kumain nga muna kami ng bulalo ng aking OBR.
I'm staring out into the night, trying to hide the pain. I'm going to the place where I'm feeling good, don't ever cause the pain. And the pain you feel's a different kind of pain. Well, I'm going home, back to the place where I belong, and where your love has always been enough for me. I'm not running from, no, I think you got me all wrong. I don't regret this life I chose for me, but these places and these phases are getting old. Well, I'm going home.